Have you ever pushed a door open? Or maybe you have dropped an apple and watched it fall to the ground. These simple moments are full of cosmic secrets. They show us something that is everywhere in our universe. This special something is called a force. A force is simply a push or a pull on an object. It is the invisible hand that makes things move, change direction, or even stay completely still. Without forces, nothing would ever happen. The universe would be a very quiet and very boring place. Every single action, from the smallest breath you take to the biggest star exploding in the night sky, is governed by these fundamental interactions. Understanding forces is like finding a secret map to the universe. Our journey to understand forces began a long time ago. It didn't start in a fancy laboratory with big machines. It started with people just like you, looking at the world and asking simple questions. One of the first great thinkers to really explore this was a man named Isaac Newton. He famously watched an apple fall from a tree. He didn't just see a piece of fruit falling, he saw a cosmic mystery. He wondered why the apple fell down and not sideways, or even up. This simple observation led him to a giant idea, the force of gravity. He realized the same force pulling the apple also holds the moon in the sky. Newton gave us the tools to describe how things move and interact. Later, people like Michael Faraday probed electricity and magnetism. He moved a magnet near a coil of wire and made an electric current. It showed that electricity and magnetism were two sides of the same coin, electromagnetism. Then we looked inside atoms. Rutherford found a tiny, dense center, the nucleus. To hold it together required an incredibly powerful force, the strong nuclear force. So, after all that searching, we have found 4 fundamental forces. These are the 4 big rules that the universe plays by. Think of them as the managers of everything that happens.